In October of 2024, my husband and I booked an accessible room in a hotel in Huntsville, Ontario, Canada. When we opened the door to the room, it was apparent that they had tried to make it accessible. However, they failed, and it was very, very difficult to function in this hotel room. Welcome to my adventures with MS, or multiple sclerosis. The difficulties I found with this hotel room are actually quite common across multiple hotel rooms that I've stayed at in the past. Thus, I decided to make this video a highlight of what works, what doesn't work, and how to fix things. The first mistake to discuss is the washroom layout and size. As I maneuvered my chair to enter the bathroom, I got stuck on one of the legs of the bed. My first impression of the bathroom was that it was small with limited space to move around in. As I rolled to the sink, I accidentally hit the bathtub seat that was on the floor. So my husband removed the seat and the box of towels from the bathroom. The tub had 2 grab bars, one by the faucet and one at the back. The shampoo was also lowered so you could reach it. There appeared to be a 3rd grab bar in the tub where the shower curtain had been tucked. The sink was a good height and depth, with space under it to accommodate my legs. However, I wondered how well I could get to anything else in this bathroom, as it was such a tight fit. There was a reinforced grab bar for the toilet. While trying to get from the toilet to the sink, I hit my legs on the wall and on the toilet. I sped up this section of the video as it was more difficult than I had expected to get to the sink. I put myself in the mirror so you can see how tall I am relative to the sink. I am 4 foot 2 inches in height in my wheelchair. There is a dispenser for moisturizing lotion. I could not reach it while at the sink. Fortunately, the tap in the sink was reachable, and the hotel supplied a bar of soap. A possible fix for this problem is to keep both the bath seat and the towel box in the tub. At the very least, this will provide a bit of floor space and improve the first impression of the bathroom. Now for the details of the shower. As I've mentioned, there is a bath seat, which is fantastic. Here's the bathtub/shower. Bathtub, grab bar, and the shower. As you can see, the shower head is far above the grab bar. Actually, it is pretty much at the top of the pole. How on earth, if you're sitting on the bathtub seat, are you going to reach the shower head? Here's an easy fix for the hotel staff. The shower head has an attachment to the pole. Lower the attachment so it's reachable. I have one of these at home, and the shower head height can be adjusted. The second mistake I'm going to discuss is the room layout. When I first entered the room, I could see the area designed for turning around my wheelchair to get back out through the hotel door. However, when I tried to roll to that empty space, I found it was very, very narrow between the bed and the cupboard. As I moved to the open area, I hit the bed. I was able to turn around in the applicable area. Oops, ran into the bed. All right, in this cupboard there's a fridge. It's a bit hard to see because it was very dark at the time. I was able to open and close that cupboard door easily. This is important for when I get to talking about the closet. The mirror is next to the closet, and that mirror was actually at a decent height. They have lowered it for the use of people in a wheelchair, which is really good. On each side of the bed is a night table and a lamp. There are 2 outlets in the lamp, so you can use a plug and charge your devices. There is a coat closet. Within the closet, the bar has been lowered so that it can be reached by a wheelchair user to hang their coats and other clothes. However, when I tried to open the closet door, both my wheelchair and the location of the bed prevented me from accessing it. Given the problems with opening the closet door and the fact that I kept hitting this corner of the bed, perhaps the fix is to relocate the closet and to change the size of the bed. The closet needs to be relocated so that you can actually open the closet to reach the lowered bar. While a queen-size bed is the same length as a king, it is 12 inches or a foot narrower. This gives you an extra foot of space between the bed and the bathroom door. With that change, it may be possible to navigate into the washroom with a wheelchair without hitting anything. The third mistake was the creation of the ramp to outside. This hotel room is on the ground floor. There is a sliding glass door to the outside, but the floor of the hotel room is higher than the sidewalk outside. Yes, there is a ramp outside of this door that takes you to the sidewalk. And then at the end of that sidewalk, there's another ramp that takes you to the parking lot. Looking at the sliding glass door again, and the ramp, if you're going to go out this door, you would hit only half the ramp. The ramp width does cover the glass window, but that's not the door that opens. That's the part where the sliding glass door slides to. One more thing. You would also have to get your wheelchair to go up and over the track of the sliding door. Some wheelchairs can handle this. Others need extra help. I'm really not sure how anyone could actually get out of this door easily in a wheelchair. One possible, and I assume costly, fix is to actually redo the ramp and make it so that it properly extends across the full sliding glass door. Or perhaps they could just fix this by simply changing the sliding glass door such that the handle is on the right and the window part is on the left, like in this example. I find it very hard to believe that whoever made the changes to this room to make it accessible actually had anyone with a walker or a wheelchair try it to make sure it would work. I still think the location of the closet and the location of the ramp are absolutely ridiculous. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Please share it with anyone else you think might benefit from this information. And please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.